In this video I'll be showing you how you can add text and credit roles onto your timeline in Clipchamp. It is super simple to do. So first of all, let's start with how to put on text onto your timeline. And to do that, you need to go over to the left side here and click in text. From here you have all these options to choose from. I'm pretty sure some of them will cost money, but these up here, the titles, are 100% free. So let's just choose one of these. I'm just gonna choose this fade. Just put it into where you want it in your timeline. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. To change the text, you want to go up here to the right hand corner and click in text. Then you can say anything like hello, and I can quickly show you how it look like so. You can also change the font size or the font, or you can upload your own font if you want that, but that costs money, as you can see down here. You can also change the alignment, you can change the text color or the background color. You can also change the position if you want to do that. If you want it centralized or on the left hand corner, you can do that down here in the position. So now let's talk about how to add a credit roll onto your timeline. And again, just like before, you need to go up to text here, and then you need to find this thing called special, where you also can see something called credit roll. From here, you just need to again drag it into your timeline where you want it, and to zoom it, you need to hold down Control, and then you can scroll with your mouse wheel like so. You can also make this a little bit bigger, and to change the text, you need to go up to the right corner again, and up here on the text, you can change everything you want to do that. I'm just going to click hello. Then you can change the font, you can change the size, and you can change the text color and the background color. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!